Here is Homebase Employee Scheduling. So just tap Get to install it. Double click to install here, and then there you have it. The best employee scheduling software of 2020 by business.com. That's just what they say here. This tool makes managing shift work easy. Homebase helps with building and sharing your schedule. With the Homebase Employee Scheduling app, employees can see when to work and track their scheduled shifts. So yeah, this is like, one of the apps, and there are other apps like Planday. Like employees can clock in and out on their smartphones using the mobile time clock app. Use their up-to-date work schedule anywhere. View the hours they worked and estimated earnings. Request and accept shift trades and covers. Submit their availability and time of requests. Managers can build team work schedules in our Schedule Maker app. View team availability and time of requests while building this shift schedule. View clock-in status of employees and add or edit employees' time cards. So check sales, scheduled labor costs, actual labor costs, and labor as a percentage of sales. And then from here, you can just get started with your email address or mobile number. Communicate with your team, get your schedule. So yeah, that's how you get started.